In this video, we will compare DoorDash versus Uber Eats versus Instacart versus Grubhub. Which one is better? DoorDash. DoorDash has become one of the leading food delivery platforms in North America, especially popular in suburban areas and mid-sized cities. One of its key strengths is its broader restaurant selection, often including exclusive partners with local and regional chains, not found on other delivery apps. For customers, DoorDash offers an intuitive interface, customizable orders, and Dash Pass subscription, which provides free delivery and reduced service fees for a flat monthly fee. It's ideal for frequent users. Another major pro is the group ordering and scheduled delivery, which are convenient for office lunches or even family meals. On the driver's side, the Dashers, DoorDash gives flexibility and autonomy, with a relatively straightforward app that makes picking up and dropping off orders very efficient. Peak pay incentives during busy hours and the ability to see estimate earnings before accepting an order are major perks for many drivers. However, DoorDash isn't without drawbacks. Some of the consumer side may complain about high fees and occasional delays, especially during peak hours. While the app shows an estimate, final costs can balloon quickly, with delivery fees, service charges, and additional tips. For drivers, the cons are mainly around inconsistent earnings and oversaturated in popular areas or cities, which can lead to more competition and potentially lower order volume for you. As some deliveries involve long distances for relatively low pay, unless surge bonuses are active. Overall, DoorDash is a strong platform, particularly in providing food options and occasional promotions, but the pricing is transparent and driver earnings can be hit or miss for many users. Uber Eats. Uber Eats operates by the same company behind Uber Rides hailing service, benefits from massive logistical networks, and is well established in urban areas, centres and international markets. One of its biggest strengths is efficiency and speed, thanks to its part of Uber dynamic routing technology. Customers often report faster delivery times, especially in densely populated cities. The app is also integrated smoothly with the Uber ecosystem, offering users to earn Uber One membership perks that apply to both rides and food delivery, such as reduced fees, priority service, and more. Uber Eats also excels with groceries and convenience store delivery options, giving more flexibility beyond just restaurant food. For delivery partners, Uber offers detailed earning reports and the ability to have multi-app easily, often showing incentives for completing a certain number of trips in a set time frame. That said, Uber Eats has its limitations. The app's interface can be very cluttered. Unlike DoorDash, it doesn't always show your full pay details up front, which can be frustrating for many drivers who choose the best paying gigs. Surge pricing can also boost your earnings, but often it's unpredictable. For customers, menu prices on Uber Eats can somewhat be inflated compared to the in-store prices, and the app has been criticised for adding hidden fees and service charges towards the end of the checkout process. Another downside for drivers is that Uber Eats uses an algorithmic-driven system, meaning less control over which orders can compare to DoorDash. Still, Uber Eats is a great choice for urban customers who prioritise speed and want convenience and a bundled service. However, it may feel less transparent than competitors for both a user and driver standpoint. Instacart. Instacart specialises in grocery delivery and pickups, allowing customers to shop for major retailers like Costco, Aldi, Target and Kroger's. For customers, Instacart offers a convenient way to order groceries from multiple stores, all through one platform. Shoppers handpick items in the store, often communicating with customers about replacement and preferences, which makes the service feel more personalised. Delivery is typically the same day or within a chosen time window. Instacart Plus reduces delivery time, fees and boosts savings for many frequent users. For drivers, Instacart can offer higher payouts per batch for food delivery apps, especially for larger, and can also have more tips. Shoppers also like the transparency of seeing batch details such as store, items, distance and earnings before accepting. However, there is not without downsides. Instacart has several cons, which can both impact customers and deliveries. For customers, fees can be high and prices can even be marked up, compared to the in-store price. Item availability can also be a huge issue, as real-time inventory is not always accurate. For shoppers, the work is more labour-intensive than apps like DoorDash, requiring an in-store navigation, product scanning and direct communication with their customers. Pay can vary dramatically. In low-demand areas, batch can be scarce or even underpaid. Additionally, Instacart has faced criticism over tip transparency, order prioritisation, unlike DoorDash, which focuses on quick pick-up and drop-offs. Instacart shopping can take 30 to 90 minutes per batch, which can make a big time investment. Still, for those who enjoy grocery shopping and prefer fewer but higher paying orders, Instacart as a gig can be a good alternative. Grubhub. Grubhub is one of the original players in the food delivery game, maintaining a strong presence in the major US cities and is still favoured among many users. For restaurants and its legacy partnerships, one of its biggest advantages is Grubhub offers a deep pool of locations and independent restaurants, which appeal to customers seeking more than just one big meal chain or big names. The app's interface is user-friendly, with features such as scheduled orders, save favourites and detailed filters. Grubhub also frequently offers promo codes and loyalty programs, providing savings for regular users. For restaurant partners, the platform offers tools for managing orders, promotions and menu changes, helping them expand their customer base without reaching or investing in delivery infrastructure. Delivery drivers at Grubhub appreciate features like flexible scheduling, guaranteed minimums, and clear delivery instructions. However, there are some downsides on Grubhub. Grubhub's experience can feel stepped in and behind DoorDash in many areas. The app design is responsive and isn't as quite as refined. Many users report slower delivery speeds and fewer available drivers, especially in less populated areas. Grubhub fees can also add up quickly, and service isn't always consistent. Missing items and incorrect orders are still regular complaints for many customers. Restaurants also may face high commissions and reduced control over delivery quality, while smaller businesses may struggle with poor visibility unless they pay for a marketing boost. Grubhub drivers are to express frustrations with low pay and extensive wait times and even lack of dynamic pay adjustments that reward efficiency and demand spike. Unlike DoorDash, more modern infrastructure and regular app updates, Grubhub feels like it's playing catch-up in the rapidly evolving delivery space. Overall, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart and Grubhub are four of the most widely used gig economy delivery platforms, each serving a unique role in how people access food every day. DoorDash and Uber Eats both focus on restaurant delivery, offering a wide selection of meals from local and chain restaurants. With DoorDash often leads in suburban markets, and Uber Eats is strong in urban areas due to its integration with other Uber services. Grubhub is one of the earliest players, and is known for its partnership and independent restaurants, which can lag behind apps, features and delivery speed compared to the other two. Instacart, unlike the others, centres on grocery delivery, where shoppers can handpick items from stores and deliver them to customers, making it ideal for full household orders rather than just one quick meal. For drivers, DoorDash or Uber Eats are often faster, shorter trips with lower earnings, but more order volume, while Instacart and Grubhub are often fewer and high potential gigs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.